isa sa paborito naming restaurant na medyo malapit lang dito sa aming bahay. At ito naman yung aking asawa. Nagyaya siya sa akin na maglabas kami at kumain. Ito naman ang ating kamukha-mukha ngayong araw na to. Ang ating driver dyan masyadong seryoso sa kanyang pagmamaniho. At ako naman busy sa kanila sa pagbibideo sa aming araw. At ang bata busy dyan sa likuran. Ito naman ang ating napili. Yung aking napili dyan is yung special Jennifer. Yan ang aking plate. Merong rice, beans, grilled shrimp, at meron din yung onion at saka green bell pepper. Yan yung plate ko. At masarap talaga yung pagkain nila dito. Ito naman yung plate ng bata dyan. Iwan ko kung ano yung sa kanya. At yan ang aming chips. Napakasarap ng chips nila dito. Ito naman kay asawa. Mayroon siyang rice, beans, at saka chicken yung sa kanya. At iyan ang bata. Tapos na siyang kumain. Naglalaro na sa cellphone ng kanyang daddy. Ito naman si asawa nagyaya sa akin na mag-order kami ng fried ice cream. Masarap din naman ang fried ice cream nila. Your food.
It was very,
The food
very
is
good.
tastes really good.
And I enjoyed splitting the fried ice cream with you.
We forgot the food. We have leftover and we forgot it.
Thank you, Joshua.
Naiwan ako dito sa sasakyan. Yung dalawa nandoon sila sa park. Gusto ko sana sumabay sa kanila pero iwan ko lang. Tinawag ako ni asawa pero gusto ko na magstay na lang dito. Ang init. Ang init pa ngayon.
It's not how you sing. Dad, she doesn't even know how. You have to arch your back. If you were not, that doesn't know how. If you knew how, you'd be doing it. That's not how you do it. You have to go like that. And then forward. You have to almost like your back to do it correctly. Like that. That's no.
Yeah, it's probably made for somebody a little shorter.
You have to go like
It's supposed to stand on the side. No, no.
I like this better.
Uh-huh. Yep.